is investigating. We are in a first alert weather day. There's a lot to warn you about as we get ready for your evening. And Dave, there's a lot going to be happening.
Oh, I'll tell you what, Karen, this storm is like a bowling ball rolling down the alley here. It rolled through this afternoon with quite a vengeance. Wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour. We've had thunderstorms now from Weld County all the way into the north side of Denver. And now if you go on the west side, Jefferson County, even parts of Douglas County down here, all the way up into Boulder County, starting to change over to snow up here along I-70 at the Evergreen Parkway. Road conditions are going downhill as the snow is starting to stick to the roadways out there. And you see these flakes flying behind me here? That's the snow that we've got going on up at Lookout Mountain. So it's snowing up there in downtown Denver so far. It's only been rain. Now I want to bring up the big map and show you what we are expecting as far as the storm futurecast goes. Colorado is right in front of me here. So let's overlay the futurecast here on there for you. And you can see the storm winding up around the Four Corners, mixing with cold air across eastern Colorado already. Mostly rain across the eastern plains, and overnight we'll have thunderstorms off and on. But as we loop through here, you can see the primary spot for snow is going to be kind of right against the Front Range Mountains and the Palmer Divide as well. So that's what we're watching. So let's get into the forecast here as I bring up a closer view map here for you, and we'll walk you through the futurecast just for the state of Colorado here. You can see the snow in the mountains, rain on the plains already going on. Now as we go through the night, you see the kind of the pink mixing in with the green there and the deeper shades of blue. The blue is the snow and the green is the rain in between. We've got a mix of rain and snow around Denver. This is the map at 10 o'clock. So then once we get to midnight, it changes over to snow for Denver, keeps on snowing on the Palmer Divide. Big showers, thunderstorms, rain mixed with snow across the eastern plains here as this pulls away. I think by the time we get to the rush hour tomorrow morning, we may be done with the snow around here, but the wind is still going to be blowing things around, and in town, icy to wet roads are still going to be a problem tomorrow morning. Then once we get going, the bulk of the snow moves out over eastern Colorado. At the end of the day, we might have one little parting shot of snow coming out of the mountains and a few flurries before everything kind of just clears on out of here. But as this blows through from about 11 a.m. tonight all the way through the afternoon tomorrow, we've got a blizzard warning in the red shaded area here. It goes from Castle Rock here all the way across southeast Aurora back into Nebraska and Kansas as well. 70-mile-per-hour wind in that red shaded area with 4 to 10 inches of snow along the Palmer Divide. That's that raised area right along I-70, Castle Rock down to Monument, and in the plains further out about 2 to 10. So just depends upon where you are. South of the Palmer Divide in that purple shaded area, about 1 to 6 inches of snow, but still 70-mile-per-hour winds blowing that around. Front Range Mountains could see 8 to 18 inches of snow, so up to a foot of snow. Summit County, North Park County, all the way up into Winter Park and Rocky Mountain National Park. And all of our western mountains have the potential of 4 to 10 inches of snow with up to 45-mile-per-hour winds going on out that way. Close to town, very interesting here in the Denver metro area, probably about a trace to an inch. With the winds coming primarily out of the north, we get what we call a downslope wind on the Cheyenne Ridge, which is an elevated area in northern Weld County up to Cheyenne. So that tends to dry out Fort Collins, Greeley, and northern parts of Denver, but it gives the upslope flow to the Palmer Divide down here, and that's where most of the snow will be accumulating. If you're in the Aurora area, we are looking about 2 to 3 inches of snow. Pride's Crossing, Mission Viejo, Horseshoe Park, all the way up to the Aurora Town Hall area. And of course, with the fronts coming through, all temperatures across the state will be cooling down tomorrow. By Wednesday and Thursday, we're back in the 50s. Our next chance of snow after that, again on Friday, we've got another first alert weather day possible on that day with another shot coming through. And then next week, 60s and 50s return for a bit. So 2 chances of snow this week, and tomorrow morning's chance is going to be a doozy.
All right. Thank you so much, Dave.
You are welcome.
Romy joins us now out at the View House getting ready for XML. And Romy, the Avs added some new faces.
Yes, and they are getting ready to get going and play a game as an Av tomorrow. We'll